Hey guys, Josh here from Particle for Men. Today we have a good one for you. We're talking about your hair. Yes, that one thing you either love or have been neglecting for the past 20 years. A lot of older guys just give up when they started losing their hair. So I'm here to help you get over that. So here are a few tips on how to take care of your hair when you're getting older. Number 1, your shower routine matters. A lot of guys think this is a simple step, but the truth is, this is a bit more complicated than it seems. Shampooing your hair every day can be detrimental to your hair's health. Use it once every 2 days for the best results. You can use a conditioner on the other days if you'd like. Number 2, use the right shampoo. How you use your shampoo is important, but if you're using the same drugstore brand for 10 years, you're doing something wrong. There are not many shampoos for older men that can help combat hair loss and thinning. That's why Particle's hair strengthening shampoo is the way to go to maintain your hair and keep it healthy. Number 3, drying your hair. This step is really important and it's one guys have been screwing up for as long as we can remember. Towel drying your hair is okay, but do it gently by patting your hair instead of whacking it like a madman. If you are going to use a hairdryer, we recommend using a heat protector, such as argan oil. Number 4, start fighting back. If you are experiencing hair loss and thinning, you need to fight back. Before giving up and shaving it all off, you have to try Particle's Hair Revival Kit. It's engineered for men using capsule and biotin. It comes with the cream and massager to make application a breeze. Number 5, styling your hair. Let me guess, some of you thought about that greasy gel from the 90s. I hope I'm wrong, but please don't do that in case I'm not. Get a decent product and don't apply a lot of it. Just enough to get the shape you want. Number 6, go to a quality barber. I know it can be hard saying goodbye to the man that has been cutting your hair since you were 12 years old, but if it's not working, you can't force it. Also, if your hairstyle requires it, go back often to maintain the look. Guys, just because you're a little older, there's no need for you to give up on that beautiful head of hair. Follow these tips and I promise you'll feel like $100. That's it for me today. Remember to drop us a like and a comment if you liked the video. And if you want more content like this, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you never miss anything. Also, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Particle for Men. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.